Did I find the ultimate Bible journaling kit? Well, maybe I didn't find the ultimate Bible journaling kit, but I found a kit that checks off a few things for me. It checks off being neutral. That might sound weird, but what I'm finding is it's really hard to find Bible journaling stuff that looks nice, is nice, but it can be used by either men or women. So I found something that I believe is neutral, looks cool, works well. Don't go anywhere. That's what we're going to talk about today. Hey guys, I'm Joshua Putnam. Thanks for clicking play and being a part of my channel today. If you're looking for content that helps you study the Bible in a practical way, I give you tips and tricks, how to study the Bible, how to journal, and then I also have videos where I offer you the opportunity to be able to study the Bible with me. If that's the kind of content you want, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm a former pastor who loves to study and teach the Bible, and this is a great opportunity just for me to continue to do that, even though I'm in a different kind of ministry now. So please hit the subscribe button and follow along. Now, let's get into it. The kit, what did I find? Well, I found this from a company that you probably will find in several places. If you are not new to Bible journaling, you've heard of BLieve. BLieve is spelled B-L-I-E-V-E. It's a Christian company, and they provide especially Bible journaling kits and all kinds of things. If you go on their website and you like that kind of stuff, you're gonna think, man, where do I start? Or I need more money. That's kind of one of the things that I found on there. What I love about this kit is this is a kit that I feel like I can use. There's a lot of stuff that's pastels and frilly and stuff that I probably am not going to want to use. I love this kit. It is the BLieve Bible Journaling Kit. Now, something that we need to know about this is, I don't know that I would call this a budget kit. In a video not too long ago, I shared with you how I put together an entire journaling kit at Walmart in the school aisle for $4.98. And if you're interested in that, make sure you find that and watch that video. This is not that. On Amazon, this is $15, and I simply bought it on Amazon instead of straight from the company because I didn't have to pay shipping because we have Prime. But this is a great kit. I've actually been using this kit for a little while. I wanted to use it before I reviewed it. So as we open it up here, you will find there are pencils, which I actually have not used the actual pencils. It comes with a highlighter. Now, what's cool is these all have different things. I'll show you in a minute. These pens work very well. They don't bleed. I'll show you that in a Bible in a minute. And then the same with these highlighters. These highlighters are really cool. Actually, when I was looking at these highlighters, and what I like about them is they have different sayings on them. It's hard to find something that's just kind of fun to use sometimes when it comes to Bible journaling, especially for men. Now, there's all kinds of stuff out there for women, but this I thought was really great. This is something that I enjoy using as well. But what I love about this, if you look at that looks like a highlighter, and first time I used it, it just felt weird. Well, it's almost like kind of a crayon. It's very unique. So it is not an actual wet ink highlighter, and it works very well. I would also say that you have to learn how to use it because I pushed harder than I needed to, and you don't want to waste it as well. But as soon as you learn how to use them and how they mark, they work great. These pens are amazing. They fit really well. Again, in that video that I shared before from Walmart, the pens that are in there, they're not really my style. They're cheap, but they were a good price. But this, I love how thick these pens are. They're very comfortable. And man, they're just great for writing in margins, for making notes. And if you do any kind of Bible journaling at all, you know that you want all the colors because you're using colors for different things. I might use a combination of highlighters, pens, pencils to be able to map out whatever I want. And then if you look in there, this stuff I have not used because it's not really my style. It's not something that I use, but some people will, if I can get it out of here, is they have all of these stencils in here as well that you can mark with. And this is where I think, some people are wired in that way. They want their Bible journals to look maybe a little more like an art project. And if that's you, great, go for it. They're in there and it's great. I don't use that. I don't worry about all that stuff. But let's get right into testing this. I have my Bible here and I have my notebook. So let's start with, let's mark in my Bible. I did not. Actually, I do. I have my trusty ruler here, so we can mark with that. So we open a Bible, and again, if you're brand new to my channel, I bought this. It's a cheap Bible, cheapest Bible I could get on Amazon. Super thin pages, and I did it specifically so that whatever would work in here, we know will work in any Bible. So as I test this, we're going to start with this red pen, and for sure we are just randomly opening this Bible to mark in it, and then I will show you what it looks like and how it bleeds. But man, it is so smooth. It works so well. And then let's go ahead and do a couple of these for you. I'm not going to use the ruler on this one. This is what you're going to love about this. So when you look at this, you can see the red and the green there on the screen. But let's flip the page. And you can't see any bleed through. You can kind of see the mark just because the page is so thin, where the pen creased, and maybe that's just because I pushed too hard. But these are amazing. If you are looking for a real nice kit that is not going to ruin your Bible at all, that's going to give you pretty much everything you need and looks good, is fun. Maybe you're looking for a gift for somebody. I'll put the link in the description. I get nothing for this. I don't even get, this is not an affiliate link, nothing, but I have really enjoyed this. This is my favorite set. In fact, I've kept it in here because I've just tried to keep it nice. $15, well worth it. BLieve, go check them out. They've got a lot of other cool things as well. Like I said, if you're looking for these kind of reviews, tips, tricks for studying the Bible, or you just want to study the Bible with me, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.